Ever wondered why hotels worldwide are embracing solar system? Let's explore the top 4 compelling reasons. On-grid or off-grid solar systems significantly slash energy bills, freeing up resources for what truly matters. Installing a solar energy storage system reduces dependence on utility-met traditional energy sources, and your hotel will remain powered regardless of the stability of utility power. Governments reward your commitment to sustainability with financial perks. Generate extra income by selling excess energy back to the grid. These reasons make solar energy storage system a bright idea for hotels, boosting your bottom line and showing your dedication to the planet. Install solar panels at your hotel and make a difference. Namkoo provides complete solar plus energy storage solutions for hotel projects in multiple locations worldwide. Choose Namkoo for the best energy solution tailored to your hotel's unique needs.